Welcome. This video demonstrates how to wire LynTec solderless SS2PL, SS2DPL, and SSLRP switch sets with modular Cat5 connections. If you purchased your switch set prior to October 1st, 2019, or purchased loose switch components like the SS2 or KS2L, please refer to the wiring diagram that came with your switch set. This video will demonstrate wiring to the RPC, RPCR wall-mounted panels, the INPAC and XPC rack-mounted units, as well as the legacy PDS and MS series wall-mounted panels. Let's begin with a brief overview of the switch set hardware. Each switch set has two modular T568B connections, terminals for 4-wire connection, and a key-lock bypass selector. Multiple switches may be daisy-chained together. Simply use the second modular connection to connect one switch to the next. If T568B Cat5 is not available, you can wire switches in parallel using the 4-wire connection terminal. The key lock on each switch set can be bypassed by moving the jumpers to the bypass configuration. If you are daisy chaining multiple switch sets, make sure the jumper settings are the same at each switch location. RPC and RPCR wiring. On the RPC and RPCR, a switch set is connected to a pair of adjacent I/O terminals on the controller or on an I/O expansion board. Note that I/O number 1 and number 6 on the controller are reserved for emergency functions. In a merged pair of inputs, the even number connector is on and the odd is the off function. On the first I/O, number 2 in this case, insert the green on normally open wire into the input terminal. Insert the brown common wire into the center terminal and the blue pilot wire into the output terminal. Insert the orange off wire into the input terminal of the second I/O. INPAC and XPC wiring. On the INPAC and XPC, the switch set is wired to the I/O terminals on the back of the unit. Each INPAC or XPC has two sets of I/O pairs, plus one input for emergency override and a single common input. Insert the brown common wire into the common terminal. Insert the green on normally open wire into the input terminal on the first I/O and the blue pilot wire into the line terminal. Insert the orange off wire into the output terminal. With both of the above examples, confirm the correct configuration on the Setup Contact Closures webpage. MS and PDS series panels. On MS and PDS panels, the switch set is wired to the gray cage clamp terminals at the bottom of the control board. Press the white levers back with a small straight blade screwdriver to insert the wires. Insert the green on normally open wire into the on terminal, the blue pilot wire into the pilot terminal, the brown common wire into the common terminal on the first board in the system. Then insert the orange off wire into the off terminal. In systems with multiple control boards, connect the off wire to the last board in the system. Make sure that there is a jumper between the V positive and V negative terminals in the last board in the system. Thank you for watching our switch wiring video. As always, you can learn more about LynTec's products online or by calling the factory at 800-724-4047.